Juggling work schedules, time off requests, and team communication can feel overwhelming. But what if you could simplify it all with one app? Let's dive into how to use the Homebase app, your all-in-one solution for work-life management. First up, viewing your schedule from the home screen. You'll see your upcoming shifts at a glance. Tap on a specific date to see the shift time, location, and your assigned role. Need some time off? No problem. Navigate to the time off section, usually found in the menu or under your profile. Tap the plus icon to submit a new request. Select the dates you need off. Choose a reason and add any optional notes for your manager, then simply submit your request. To set your availability, head to the availability section. Here, you can specify the days and times you're available to work each week. This helps your manager schedule you when it works best for you. Make sure to save your changes. Clocking in and out is a breeze. Tap the time clock button on the home screen. The app may ask for location permissions to verify you're at the correct work location. Then, simply tap clock in when you start your shift and clock out when you're done. This will accurately track your work hours. Staying connected with your team is easy with the built-in messaging feature. Access the messages section to communicate with your manager and coworkers. You can send direct messages or participate in group conversations. And finally, accessing your pay stubs and other important documents is simple. Look for a section called Pay Stubs, Documents, or something similar within the app. Here you can view and download your pay information. Now you're ready to take control of your work life with the Homebase app.